Now we are going to solve illustration 22. So in this question, current assets and current liabilities are given. We have to find current ratio and liquid ratio of the company. So we will solve it. First we will write current assets equal to cash, illustration 22, cash plus debtor plus bill receivable plus marketable securities plus inventories. Cash we have given 5,000, debtors we have given 29,000, bill receivable 5,000, marketable securities 15,000 plus inventories 54,000. Now we will calculate current liabilities, which is given sundry creditors plus bills payable plus outstanding expense plus provision for expense. Now we will calculate it. Sundry creditors 25,000 plus bills payable 16,000 plus outstanding expense 8,000 plus 5,000. Now we will calculate it. 5,000 plus 29,000 34,000 plus 5,000 39,000 plus 15,000 and 54,000. Then when we will calculate it, then current assets will come 1,08,000 and current liabilities will come 54,000. Now when we will divide it, then the ratio will come 2:1. Then it's current ratio. Now we have to find liquid ratio. So we have to find liquid assets. Then liquid assets equals to current assets minus inventories then we will get current liquid assets. So current assets 1,08,000 minus 54,000 equal to 54,000, and we know the liabilities, so the liquid ratio will be 54,000 upon 54,000. It will be 1:1. So now the question number illustration 23, we will solve it. So here we have to calculate liquid ratio. Current liabilities we have given, current assets are also given, prepaid expense, trade receivable. So now let's solve it. So first we have to find liquid ratio. So we will find liquid assets. Then what is the formula of liquid assets? Then liquid assets I have written also here. Liquid assets equals to current assets minus inventories minus prepaid expense. So we have given current assets equals to 80,000 minus inventories we have given 25,000, prepaid expense we have given 5,000. So 80,000 minus 30,000 equal to 50,000. Now we have find liquid assets equals to 50,000. Then we can also find liquid ratio, which is liquid assets upon current liabilities. Liquid assets, we know that 50,000 upon current liabilities we have given 50,000. Then the ratio will be 1:1. Now let's solve illustration 24. So we have given current liabilities 1,50,000, current assets 2,80,000, inventories 40,000, advance tax 30,000, and prepaid rent 10,000. We have to here find liquid assets. So liquid assets, we know that current assets minus inventories minus advance tax minus prepaid rent. So current assets we have given 2,80,000 minus inventories 40,000, advance tax 30,000 minus prepaid rent 10,000 equal to 40, 30 plus minus 10. It will be 280,000 minus 80,000 equal to 2 lakh. Then we have find the liquid assets and current liabilities, which we have given 1,50,000. Then liquid ratio will be 2 lakh upon 1,50,000. We will divide it 5 4 is 20, 5 3 is 15. Then it will be 1.33 ratio 1. Now we will solve illustration 25. Here we have given inventories are 80,000, working capital 2,40,000, current assets 4 lakh. We have to find liquid ratio. So what we will do? Here we will use, first we will try to find current liabilities. So we have given working capital equals to current assets minus current liabilities. Working capital we have given 2,40,000 equals to current assets 4 lakh minus current liabilities. So current liabilities equal to 4 lakh minus 2,40,000. Current liabilities will be 1,60,000. So now liquid assets equal to current assets minus inventories minus prepaid expense. But here in the question we don't have given prepaid expense, so we will not write minus prepaid expense, and if we write then we will assume it 0. So current assets equal to 4 lakh minus 80,000 equal to 3,20,000. So liquid assets now we have get 3,20,000. Then the ratio will be liquid ratio equals to 3,20,000 upon current liabilities, which we have given 2,40,000, which we have find it 1,60,000. So now it will be 2 ratio 1. Now we will find illustration 26. So in illustration 2 we have to find liquid ratio. So here working capital is given 1,80,000, total debt, that is outstanding liabilities 3,90,000, long term 3 lakh, and inventories we have given 90,000. So first we will calculate current liabilities. What is the formula of current liabilities? Current liabilities equals to total debt minus long term debt. So total debt equals to 3,90,000 minus 3 lakh equal to 90,000. Now we will find, what we will find? We will try to find it current assets. current assets equals to working capital plus current liabilities. So working capital, we have given working capital 1,80,000 plus current liabilities 90,000. Then we will get current assets. It will be 2,70,000. So now we have got the value of current assets and current liabilities. So we can find the value of liquid asset. So liquid assets equals to current assets minus inventories. Current assets we have given 2,70,000 minus inventories 90,000 equal to 1,80,000. Now we can find the liquid ratio, which is liquid assets upon current liabilities, 1,80,000 upon current liabilities we have given 90,000. Then the ratio will be 2:1. Now solve illustration 27. Current liabilities of company are 3 lakh, which is given. Its current ratio 3. So 3:1 equals to current assets upon current liabilities, which is given 3 lakh. So here we will find current assets equals to 9 lakh. Now what here we have given, we have to find the value of inventories, and we know that inventories is equal to current assets minus liquid assets. So current assets is 9 lakh minus liquid assets 3 lakh. It's liquid asset, so the answer will be 6 lakh. Now we will solve question number 28. So here we have given current ratio of A Limited is 4.5:1 and liquid ratio is 3:1. If the inventories are 3 lakh, find its current liabilities, current assets and quick assets. So first we will let the current liabilities be X. We have given current ratio 4.5:1 equals to current assets upon current liabilities. We have assumed the value of current liabilities X. So current assets equal to 4.5x. Now we will find liquid ratio, which we have given 3:1 equals to liquid assets upon current liabilities. So liquid assets equals to 3x. Now we have given inventories 3 lakh. So what is the formula of inventories? Inventories equal to current assets minus liquid assets. Inventories, which we have given 3 lakh, equals to current assets 4.5x minus 3x, 3 lakh 1.5x, x equal to 3 lakh multiply 10 upon 15. Why did I take 15? Because 1.5, and if there is value, so we multiply by 10, and if it is like 158, then we will multiply by 100. 15 2 ja, so it will be the value 20,000. So now it will be 2 lakh because there is 10. So now we know the value of current liabilities, so we can find current assets and liquid assets. So current assets will be current assets equals to 4.5 multiply 2 lakh. It will be 45 to the 90 will be 9 lakh, and liquid assets will be 3 multiply 2 lakh, 6 lakh. Now we will solve illustration 29. So current ratio we have given 1.5, current assets 1 lakh, current liabilities 40,000. Calculate value of inventories. Quick ratio we have given 1.5 ratio 1, current assets 1 lakh, and current liabilities we also know 40,000. Here I have put on current assets wrong because the ratio is given of quick ratio, so it will be quick ratio. We can write liquid assets. So we will found liquid assets equals to 1.5 multiply 40,000, which is equal to 60,000. So inventories equal to current assets minus liquid assets. Current assets we have given 1 lakh already, minus liquid assets 60,000 equal to 40,000, the value of inventories. Now we will solve illustration 30. A firm has current ratio 4 ratio 1 and quick ratio 2.5 ratio 1. If the inventories are 22,000, 500, find total current assets and current liabilities. So here we will assume the current liabilities be x, current assets upon x, here liquid assets upon x. So current assets will be 4x and liquid assets will be 2.5x. Inventories we have given, inventories equal to current assets minus liquid assets, 4x minus 2.5x. Inventories we have given 22,500. So 22,500, 4x minus 2.5x, 1.5x, x equal to 22,500 upon 15 multiply 10. So when we will calculate the value, then it will be 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. It will be 15,000. So it will be the value of current liabilities 15,000. Now we can calculate the value of current assets. Here we have all current assets and current liabilities. Current liabilities we have found, current assets equals to 4 multiply 15,000, which is 60,000. Illustration 31, which is saying that working capital of a company is 6 lakh, its current ratio 2.5 ratio 1. Calculate value of current liabilities. अगर करंट लाइबिलिटीज हमें नहीं पता तो हम उसे हमेशा अज्यूम करेंगे x. सो लेट द करंट लाइबिलिटीज बी x. We have given current ratio 2.5 ratio 1, current assets upon current liabilities. So current assets we will find 2.5x. Now we have given working capital. So working capital equals to current assets minus current liabilities. Working capital we have given 6 lakh equal to current assets 2.5x minus x. 6 lakh equal to 1.5x, x equal to 6 lakh upon 15 multiply 10. 15 4 is 60, it will be 4 lakh. So we have found the value of current liability 4 lakh. And now we have to find current assets. Current assets we will multiply 2.5 into 4 lakh, which will be 10 lakh. Now we will find liquid ratio. So here what will we do? We have to find liquid assets, which is current assets minus inventories. So current assets is 10 lakh minus inventories 4 lakh, it will be 6 lakh. So liquid ratio we can find 6 lakh upon 4 lakh. It will be 1.5 ratio 1. Now illustration 32 we have to solve. Current assets of a company are 17 lakh, current ratio 2.5 and liquid ratio 0.95. We have to find current liabilities, liquid assets and inventory. So we will let current liabilities be X. So here current assets of a company are 17 lakh. So here we know the value of current assets. So we can find current liabilities. Current ratio equals to current assets we have given 17 lakh upon current liabilities we have assumed X, and the current ratio we have also given 2.5 into 1. So current liabilities X equals to 17 lakh upon 2.5, which is into 10. Then we will find it 6,80,000. So liquid ratio equals to liquid assets upon current liabilities. Now we have to find liquid assets. So liquid assets equal to current assets minus, here we will write current assets equals to, we have to find the value of inventory also, and liquidation ratio we have know that 0.95. We don't know the value of liquid assets, so here we will find current liabilities we know 6,80,000. So liquid assets equal to, when we will multiply it, then we will get 6,46,000. Now inventory equals to current assets minus liquid assets. Inventory we have to find, current assets we know 17 lakh minus liquid assets 6,46,000 equals to 10,54,000. Now we will solve illustration 33. We have given total debt, total asset, fixed assets. So first we will find current assets, which is total assets minus non-current assets. Total assets we have given 16 lakh and fixed assets 6 lakh, non-current investment 1 lakh, long-term advance, so it will be 8 lakh. Then we will current assets find 8 lakh. Now we will find current liabilities. Current liabilities 4 lakh plus 4 lakh, and total debt minus long-term debt. Total debt is 12 lakh. Long-term debt is borrowing plus provision 8 lakh. It will be 4 lakh. So current ratio we can find 8 lakh upon 4 lakh equals to 2:1. So now we will find the value of quick ratio. So quick assets, current assets minus inventory minus prepaid expense. So current assets 8 lakh minus 1,90,000, inventory minus prepaid expense 10,000, it will be 6 lakh. Now we know the formula of liquid ratio equals to liquid assets upon current liabilities. Liquid assets 6 lakh upon current liabilities 4 lakh, then it will be 1.5:1. So if you like this, then please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.